So you're all set to travel to the USA. Admission formalities are done, finances are on point, and travel is all sorted. But hey, before you zip up that suitcase, let's talk about the items that you might be better left at home. Trust me, it's not just about what you bring, but also about what you leave behind. Hear it from someone who has spoken to thousands of students and learned from their experiences. Hi guys, I'm Aman Jain, one of the founding members at GyanDhan. And without any further ado, let us get right into it. First up, the wardrobe battle. Yes, we get it. You want to be prepared for every season and occasion. But do you really need 5 winter coats for a fall semester? Students often tend to forget that there is a dynamic weather differences between India and the USA. Yes, undoubtedly, you can get US weather friendly clothes in India. But A, the cost is way too high. B, they grab too much space. Packing too many clothes can weigh you down, both financially and physically. Remember, for every extra kilo after 23 kg, you have to pay more. And why carry extra when you can easily buy trendy American fashions when you are in the States? And that too at an affordable cost. Thinking about where to go to buy those winter jackets? Well, there are popular stores such as Burlington, Columbia, Old Navy and Forever that provides good quality clothes at reasonable price. So leave behind those just in case outfits and save some space and money. The same goes for shoes. Carry a pair or two and buy winter boots from stores like Walmart or Columbia for as low as $40. And the cherry on the top is you can return and exchange these shoes as American stores have flexible customer policies. Not only this, students often get crazy discounts on almost everything from clothes to electronics. Talking about electronics, I know you must be heading towards your nearest phone and laptop selling store. Hold on there. Do not waste your money there. Instead, buy cheap electronic from the US itself and enjoy student discount as well. And if you're still thinking about buying it from India, will you be able to come back to India to claim its warranty? I doubt that. Apart from this, if you're someone who loves styling your hair, is stuffing your hair dryers and straighteners in your suitcase, my friend, you are just carrying extra weight because these appliances are useless in the States as they don't work there due to voltage issues. Now let's talk about the pots and pans. Say a big no to carrying lots of heavy utensils to the USA. See, you will need utensils that are dishwasher safe, microwave safe and induction friendly. And this will cost you big bucks in India. All these are easily available in the US and you don't have to carry such heavy things which might experience wear and tear during travel. Well, if you really wish to carry some kitchen stuff, grab a basic cooker along. Next, toiletries, the silent space stealers. Packing huge bottles of shampoo, conditioner and body wash might seem like a good idea, but remember, most of these items are cheap and readily available in USA. Opt for travel sized version which will suffice you for a month. Your suitcase will instantly feel lighter. Last but certainly not the least, the paperwork piles up, and yes, it's important to have your documents in order. But do you really need to carry every piece of paper from your birth certificate to your high school certificate? Scan important documents and store them securely in the cloud. This way, you will have access to them whenever you need without risk of losing them in transit. Now comes the prohibited item alert. The US government has prohibited a list of items from entering the US. These items are those that would injure community health, public safety, American workers, children, or domestic plants and animal life, or those that would defeat our national interest. I have a list of some items you can absolutely not bring into the US. Number 1, alcoholic beverages. There are strict regulations on the quantity and type of alcohol you can bring. Ensure you are familiar with these rules to avoid customs complications. Number 2, plants and seeds. Due to risk of pests and disease, many plants and seeds are prohibited. If you are considering bringing any, check the USDA's guideline first. Number 3. Wildlife and animal products. Items made from endangered species and certain animal products have restrictions or are outright banned. So there you have it, a friendly reminder of what not to pack while flying to USA. I know packing your whole life in a suitcase or two is not easy, but trust me, it's all worth it in the end. Traveling to a new country and starting all over again can be overwhelming. When I traveled abroad, I was clueless most of the time. I remember I paid thousands for a forex exchange and thought getting a credit card was way off my limits. I knew then I did not wanted dreamers like me to face the same. So back in 2016, we started GyanDhan with the simple aim of making abroad education accessible and hassle-free for all. Our journey with you is not limited to education loans. We wish to become your support system from the day you think of traveling abroad to study. From your US visa counseling to providing you with a credit card before you land in the USA, we have got all covered. Whether it's finding the right accommodation or the right education loan, we are here to help. At GyanDhan, we understand the challenges international students face, and we are here to bridge the gap between your dream and reality. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more tips and tricks